Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mojito flavor at home. First, gather your key ingredients: fresh mint, fresh limes, and sugar. You'll need about 10 to 12 mint leaves and 1/2 to 1 whole lime per serving. Granulated sugar works well, or you can use a simple syrup for easier mixing. These fresh components are the foundation of a truly delicious mojito. Next, let's talk about muddling, a crucial step for releasing those vibrant flavors. Combine your mint leaves, sugar, and lime juice in a sturdy glass. Gently press and twist with a muddler or the back of a spoon for about 15 to 20 seconds. The goal is to release the mint's oils, not to shred the leaves, which can introduce a bitter taste. This gentle action is key. Once you've muddled your ingredients, it's time to build your mojito. Fill your glass with crushed ice, which helps keep the drink cold and dilutes it perfectly. Pour in your white rum, usually 1.5 to 2 ounces, depending on your preference. Finally, top it all off with club soda or sparkling water for that refreshing effervescence. Stir gently to combine everything. To complete your homemade mojito, a proper garnish makes all the difference. Take a fresh mint sprig, gently clap it between your hands to release its aroma, and place it in the glass. A lime wedge or wheel on the rim adds a nice touch too. Serve your mojito immediately to savor its crisp, refreshing, and perfectly balanced flavors. Cheers to your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.